Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2003 for 1 mark, and basically this question is based on radiation heat transfer between two objects. Let us understand the question. The question is a plate having 10 centimeter square area each side is hanging in the middle of room of 100 meter square total surface area. Now, my dear students, we have one room. Let us draw here room. Let us say this is a room, right? Let us say this will be your room. Now, my dear students, in this room, for this room, the total surface area, let us say this room is 1. I am assuming room as a 1, right? The total surface area of room, that is A1, is equal to 100 meter square for the radiation. And inside this room, there is a plate. Let us say there is a plate inside this room like this, right? This will be our plate inside this room, right? And my dear students, the area of this plate on both sides is 10 centimeter square. Means on one side, this area of one side, let us say plate is 2. Let us say plate is 2. Area 2 is nothing but 10 centimeter square, which will be equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square in terms of meter, right? Then the plate temperature and emissivity are respectively 800 Kelvin and 0.6. Now here for this plate, we have considered 2. Therefore, plate temperature, which is nothing but T2, is given 800 Kelvin and emissivity E2 is equal to 0.6, right? Then the temperature and emissivity values of the surfaces of the room are 300 Kelvin and 0.3 respectively. Now for room we have considered 1, therefore the temperature T1 is 300 Kelvin and emissivity E1 is equal to, here 0.3 is given. Then Boltzmann's constant sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin power 4. This is a standard value of Boltzmann that we always remember, right? Then the total heat loss from the two surfaces of plate is, this is very important, the total heat loss from the two surfaces of the plate is, right? First of all, this area A2 is one side area only, means from this one side the heat is losing, and from this back side also the heat is losing to the room, right? Let us find first the heat loss from the one side, and if I calculate heat loss from the one side and if I multiply the answer by 2, we will get heat loss from the both side, definitely, right? Therefore, my dear student, the question is the heat loss from the plate to the wall, that is they are asking plate is at high temperature, therefore they are asking Q221. This is the question, right? And my dear students, we know that the Q221 is nothing but sigma T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 divided by, sorry, here 2 to 4 we are calculating. As we are calculating 2 to 4, it is sigma T2 power 4 minus T1 power 4 divided by 1 minus emissivity 1 divided by area 1 emissivity 1 plus 1 upon area 1 F1 to 2 plus 1 minus emissivity 2 divided by area 2 emissivity 2. Now my dear students, this one is a room. For 1 to here F1 to 2 will be present, right? But this we have to calculate. But my dear students, for this plate we have reciprocal theorem, that is area 1 F1 to 2 is equal to area 2 F2 to 1, right? And this F2 to 1 from plate to room, it is a flat surface, therefore F2 to 2 will be 0, therefore F2 to 1 will be equal to 1. Now instead of F area 1 F1 to 2, I am going to write area 2 F2 to 1, right? So let us do here correction, or it is not a correction, it is a simplification only, it is for quick result only, right? Because it is simple to calculate F2 to 1, therefore here area 2 F2 to 1. To calculate F1 to 2, F2 to 1 anyhow we have to calculate, therefore F2 to 1 we are calculating first, therefore let us use this so that our few steps will be reduced, right? Now my dear students, here to find this heat loss from the plate, this is from one side only, and if I multiply this complete answer by 2, I will get from both sides, right? Now to find here, we need Stephen Boltzmann constant given, we need temperatures given, we need emissivity given, right? Emissivity are also given. We need areas given, but we need EF 2 to 1. That is EF 2 to 1. Now, my dear students, EF 2 is a plate. For plate, it is a flat surface. Therefore, EF 2 to 2 will be equal to 0. And as per addition law, EF 2 to 1 plus EF 2 to 2 is equal to 1. Summation of all safe factors is always equal to 1. EF 2 to 2 is 0. Therefore, EF 2 to 1 is equal to 1. Also, EF 2 to 1 we have calculated. Now, let us put the values in this formula, right, and find the answer. So, my dear students, let us solve this question. Now, here I will put the values. Therefore, Q1 to 2 will be equal to, let us substitute the value directly. Q2 to 1, sorry, Q2 to 1 is equal to sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is a standard value of Stephen Boltzmann constant. Temperature T2 is here given, that is temperature T2 is plate temperature, which is 800 Kelvin, 800 power 4. Temperature T1 is room temperature, which is 300 Kelvin, therefore 300 power 4 divided by 1 minus emissivity 1 is given 0.3 divided by area 1 is a room area 100 into emissivity 1 is 0.3 plus again 1 upon area 2 is 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 into EF 2 to 1 is 1, right, plus 1 minus emissivity 2 is plate emissivity 0.6 divided by area 2 is plate area, that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 into emissivity 2 is 0.6. If I solve this question, then I will get Q2 to 1. This will be equal to 13.66 watt. This will be in watt. But my dear students, this is one of the option. Don't take this answer. This will be the wrong choice. It is from one side of plate only. This answer is from one side of plate only. There is another side from the back side here. From this back side also Q2 to 1. Therefore, for complete, that is total heat transfer, for Q total, we have to multiply this answer by 2. 2 into Q 2 to 1, which is equal to 2 into 13.66, which is equal to 27.32 watt, right? It will be in watt. Therefore, look at the option. Option B will be the correct choice. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic, which was asked in previous year GATE examination.